Hey, good morning. How's everybody doing out there today? Bona, OnlyWoodFloors, and we're here in Upland. This is day 2 for us. So, we've got most of the sanding done. I would say we're about 80% sanding. We've already hit everything with 36. Kind of just finalizing the edges and stuff like that. And then we'll move on to the finer grit of sandpaper. So let me turn this thing around, show you guys what we got going, and we can go from there. Let me see. Okay, so going through the house here, going through the garage. Let's see. Like I said, we still need to hit it with the edges, but this is what we're looking at right here. That's that walnut 1/2 inch by 5 engineered floor. That's the color they want to get. We've already decided to stain, so let me go ahead and show you guys the floor here. I mean, man, this looks really good natural. You see all that white stuff? That's pretty much the aluminum oxide. I mean, to take off that finish, it's just a pain. But let me show you guys here real quick. So like I said, we still need to get the edges, but everything's already been hit with the 36. And we can start jumping to our 60 grit and then our 100 grit. So the goal today is to get everything sanded, ready to go. Hopefully even be able to water pop this floor since it is being stained. But you see, edges have been scraped, everything's good. So that's pretty much that for this video update. All right. So everybody have a good day, and we'll do another video update in a bit and get everything set up for you guys.